Hello, I am now going to show you the assignment 1 of the real-time rendering. Let's start the application first. So as you can see today, I'm going to show 4 shading models, which are foam shading model, bling foam shading model, gooch shading model, and the minor shading model. As you can see here, I have created a UI interface here so that it would be convenient to switch between different shading models and adjust some parameters such as the object transformation, light source, and the parameters of each shading model. I'm using a single point light here, and also for a better visualization, I've imported an extra little monkey head here to represent the position of the light source. I'll change the light color to white. Okay, now I'm going to show you the effect of the different shading models. Let's start with the bling shading model. So as you can see, this is using the bling. Let's get this rotate first. This is using the foam shading model. Let's light here. There are three parts here, which are ambient lighting, diffuse lighting, and specular lighting. The parameters are here: ambience, which is basically the base color; the specular, it's now very obvious; shininess, and this is the bling foam shading model. I click this button to switch checkbox, saying ambience, specular. Make it a little bit closer, more brightness. Diffuse. Okay, now let's move to the non-photorealistic shading model. I use gooch shading model here. So since it is a non-photorealistic model, unlike the foam model, there is no ambience, diffuse, or specular term in gooch. The gooch model represents shadow and highlight areas by using cool color, which is blue here, and warm color, which is yellow here, instead of the traditional dark and light colors. So you can see here, the shot where the light cannot reach is blue. Change the light source a little bit. Okay, now let's move to the final shading model, the realistic one. Here I use the minor shading model. So the core of the minor model lies in the modification of Lambert's diffuse reflection law, which is that the intensity of the reflected light is proportional to the cosine of the incident angle of the light and is irrelevant to observation perspective. The minor model introduced an exponent term, which is here. So this shading model compares to the foam shading model. We can see that the surface appears lighter at the edges than in the center, which is useful for simulating some specific wet or smooth surfaces. So this is the minor shading model. This is bling foam. I'm switching it. You can see that it is useful to simulate some surfaces like the moon surface. Changing some parameters here. Ambience, diffuse, highlight. Highlight doesn't work here, but for the bling foam. You can see it works. Shininess. Now I will change a little bit and just show you some different effect under the different angle light sources. Bling foam, minor. You can see that bling foam focus more on the specular, where the minor model focus more on diffuse. Okay, thank you for watching.